mogu da lete zato što imaju moć letenja, imaju jake grudne kosti, jake grudne mišiće i šuplje kosti, ili zato što imaju jake mišiće i krila na kojima je perje.
In our region, generation after generation has grown up spending less and less time in nature. This does not mean that children don't know about the exceptional diversity of species and habitats and the rich cultural heritage in our corner of the earth. So we don't need to change what the kids are learning, but rather how and where they are learning.
Stop! Kaj je s tobom danas? Ajde ponovo.
Why not take children out into nature and let them learn from experience? Allow them to explore and draw conclusions of their own. Enable them to awaken all their senses and emotions. Untouched nature is right here around us. Even a small change in our approach can achieve great and lasting results. Join us on our journey. Protected areas are home to endangered and irreplaceable biodiversity. This is why they are recognized as extremely important places for preserving habitats and for the survival of many species. In order to inspire and prepare new generations to preserve nature, it is important that protected areas also become centers for education, where learning comes from hands and minds, and most of all, from the heart. Our experience in working with protected area staff, teachers, and pupils shows us that we need to engage all of our senses in order to understand the nature that surrounds us. The first step occurs at a mental level: learning, understanding, becoming aware. The second step, which we need to reach in order to secure a sustainable future, is driven by emotions. Only then can real changes in behavior happen. If we fail to kindle emotions for nature in children, and in adults too, we will never be able to protect it.